In this video, I will show you how to add money to Revolut from a bank account. So to do this, just go and open up the Revolut app, and from the home screen right here, you simply want to go and click on Add Money. After doing that, you will see this right here. So for me, it says Apple Pay. Now, if you have your bank account connected to Apple Pay, then you can also just go and use Apple Pay. If you don't, you can click Change. And then here you can pick any of these methods. So I can pick, for example, Ideal, which uses a bank account, which for me is the easiest option, but you can also select an easy or a regular bank transfer. So just select whichever one you want to do. I'll just pick Ideal. And then here I can pick which bank I use. So just gonna select whichever bank you use. And then you will get back to this screen. Now here, just go and choose how much you want to deposit. So for example, I'll just do 10 euros and then click on continue. Now after doing that, it's going to redirect me to Ideal in this case. And then I can go and confirm that I want to deposit the money. And it will just redirect me to my banking app. And from there, I can then pay for it. And then the money will be deposited into my Revolut account. And it should happen in seconds when using Ideal. So that's how to add money to Revolut from your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.